This video explains how to do setup for the web-enabled remote terminal unit DL30 before you use such as installation and power wiring. This is a table of contents for this video. First, let's unpack and check the package. When you received DL30, unpack it like this. Take out what is in the package. The package includes a DL30 and its instruction manual. In addition to DL30, an installation base, a discrete input module, a DC voltage current input module, and a SD card used for logging are going to be used in this video. Next, let us introduce the name of each part of DL30. These are power terminals. And these are run contact output terminals. The run contact output turns on in normal conditions, and turns off when the power is not supplied or when an error occurs. This is a connector for Ethernet to connect a LAN cable. This is a SD card slot to insert a SD card. Confirm the direction of the card. This is a configuration connector. Connect a USB mini-B male cable between DL30 and a PC for configuration. This is a logging button. Press and hold the button for 1 second to start or stop logging. This is a SD card button. Press and hold the button for 4 seconds to turn off the SD card LED, and you can safely remove the SD card. These are status indicator LEDs. They turn on, off, or blink to show various status. Now let's install DL30. Mount DL30 on the left end of the installation base. Engage the positioning guide of the module with the installation base. Pivot the module on the positioning guide, and press it down until the lock tab sits in the right position. Closely right to DL30, mount the discrete input module and the DC voltage current input module in the same way. Then tighten the base fixing screws with a screwdriver. To mount on a ding rail, set the installation base such that its ding rail adapters are at the bottom. Hang the upper hook on the rear side of the base on the ding rail and push back the adapters upward. Insert the SD card into the SD card slot. Next, let us explain precautions for the power supply. As preparation to supply power to DL30, be aware of the precautions. Confirm the power input rating on the label attached to the side of the module. The module will not work properly unless the specified power is supplied. Wrong power wiring may damage the module. Next, let's connect wires. Connect the power supply wire. The power input for DL30 is 24 volt DC. Remove the terminal cover of the power supply terminals, and connect the positive side of the power wire to the terminal number 2 and the negative side to the terminal number 3 using a screwdriver. Use a wire size of 0.25 to 0.75 square millimeters and solderless terminals for 3 mm diameter screws. After wiring, make sure to mount the terminal cover to prevent electric shock. Now let's connect the LAN cable. Insert a LAN cable into the connector for Ethernet until it clicks. Connect the other side of the LAN cable to a switching hub. Connect another LAN cable between a PC to configure the DL30 and the switching hub in the same way. In the last step, let's supply power. When the power is supplied, the power LED on the front of DL30 turns on. Then, the status indicator LEDs blink in order. And finally the run LED turns on in green. This concludes preparation for startup. Thank you for watching our video preparation for startup.